Shahkawn Chyeju Shahkawn ga nuani
Celebrating our 10th anniversary of Melbourne Kachin Baptist Church. Would you mind saying a few words of encouragement and a blessing for the church, please?
Sure. Well, let me just say congratulations on 10 years of your anniversary and just amazing service to one another, love for one another, and welcome to plenty of people coming to this congregation. I'd like to encourage you into the future to continue to serve one another, continue to honour God, and continue to reach out to those new people coming to our country. May God bless you, and may you know His love and grace.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Daniel. Thank you. Thank you for being here.
Sure. It's so beautiful to be here. This is my second time worshipping here with you, and I've loved every minute of it, and I've also loved working with several of your church members on the Myanmar working group and with our advocacy for Myanmar as well. And I just want to say congratulations on your anniversary, and also on just a blessing over your church. It's such a beautiful church, and you have such a huge commitment to not only the Baptist Union but also your people from here and in Myanmar. And I just want to say that is a beautiful encouragement to us as well, and also a challenge for us as well. As we see you supporting your people so beautifully, it also challenges us to help out as well. So really want to bless you and encourage you to keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you so much, Melissa. Thank you for being here. Can I give you a
I've been the
hug?
pastor of this church since March 2019, and the Kachin Church was meeting here well before I arrived. And I guess I want to encourage you to continue to grow, to continue to nurture the children, as we see many of them playing and with joy, and to continue to deepen your faith as you get more and more embedded in this Australian culture.
Awesome.